Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching. Let's this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you. Melissa Olivos is a famous TikTok star. She was born on September 16, 1992 and her birthplace is United States. Melissa is also well known as American TikTok star who is best known for her lifestyle, jewelry, and design-related video clips. She also has a popular Instagram featuring more lifestyle, fashion, and design-related posts. Melissa is originated from United States. She is a well-known TikTok star from the USA akin to Lauren Kettering. Melissa Olivos' birthday is on 16 September 92, and she was born on Wednesday. She is now 29 years old. Melissa's sun sign is Virgo and her birth flower is Morning Glory or Aster. Before she was famous, she first appeared on TikTok in late 2018. Melissa has a partner named Travis. Melissa Olivos' net worth or net income is estimated to be between $1 million, $5 million. She has made such amount of wealth from her primary career as TikTok star. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.